Okay, so there are ways to actually generate leads. Now, again, this is not for every law firm. Chris and I are not saying use AI and you will get new business. Not necessarily. Just like when I talk about LinkedIn, I don't necessarily say if you use LinkedIn, it's going to definitely bring you in new business. I can't promise that. But there are ways that you can use it to help you. Let's talk about these things. So data mining. So it can actually mine data from online sources. Think about giving you ideas for potential clients and generate leads. Again, they don't know your business strategy. They're not on the inside, so they can't be perfect, but it can give you some ideas. Okay, so I would also say it can help with prospecting. So it can help you streamline your lead gen process and automate different processes and procedures. Again, humans are the backbone of everything we do. We're not suggesting robots replace humans in legal marketing or any other place, but it can help streamline and make things more efficient.
But also, let's talk through. So I'm working with a fairly sizable accounting firm right now, and they are actually doing lead gen through the website. They track people depending on who gets their newsletter. They can see when they come to their website. They can see which pages they hit. They can see how often they come. They get a lead score assigned to that person based on these traits. And then they have the accountants, the professionals. They have different kinds of departments that will actually follow up with those individuals, to develop business. There are smaller firms where they are doing more plaintiff focused, or smaller firms where they're doing a lot of SEO and Google ads, and they actually do get leads. They have intake forms on their site, and they need to be able to, they get a high volume of these, and they need to figure out which are the valid leads and which ones, they shouldn't really waste time on. And so there are definitely law firms using some of this, for prospecting as well.